Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's demonstration is going to be on looks like a 1969 Mustang unit. No, it's a 70 Cougar unit. That probably was a dead giveaway, the Cougar on the front there. This is sent in by my friends at KTL Restorations in Danville, Virginia. So if you live in Danville, Virginia, please patronize that shop for giving me their business. This has been kind of an unusual request. These guys sent me one radio that had all the buttons broken off of it, and another radio that was like a rust bucket. I couldn't even salvage the front panel. I just had to throw it away because it was so badly rusted. But it did have all the push buttons, so they asked me to transfer all the buttons from basically make one good radio out of two junkers. I'm pretty much against doing that, mainly because it's a lot of work that I can't put too much of a warranty on because it's all the original circuitry. I replace all the all the electrolytic capacitors, which is standard fare for any electronic item this age, but everything's currently working properly and there's nothing that shows any obvious signs of wearing out soon. So this is all we can do to piece together two units, and I can only warranty the actual parts I replace, which is the motor, speed control board, and all the capacitors, and the integrity of my work on the push buttons. Other than that, everything else is all original, and I can't put a warranty on 40, 50-year-old circuitry. And so that being said, let's go ahead and turn her on, make sure everything works before we send her back.
And if you look at the coverage of the G7,
And there's our strong AM station, and pick up another one around 1400, somewhere around there. And there's that one. Okay, so now we'll test the 8-track function, get a little Anne Murray here. Now, one thing you'll notice is this unit is not a conversion, so it does not have my special tape head preamp board. It's not going to sound nearly as bright as the conversions that I do. So let's go ahead and pop in some Anne Murray here. It does have a nice warm sound. Okay, so we're going to switch tracks. Okay, we'll try another tape here just to make sure it plays more than one tape. Little Jeannie C. Riley. Work our balance control to the left and right and back to center. We'll do the balance one more time. Left, right. Alrighty, switch tracks a few more times. Okay, pull out the tape, radio should come back. And there's our radio back. Alrighty, and this customer did not request a line input. It's for a concourse restoration, so he doesn't want anything new added to it. So that pretty much takes care of that. So everything is completed. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get back on the jobs. This is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have a classic car AM radio you would like converted to FM, in some cases I can repair them. In some cases I'm not willing to try to repair them because of parts availability, long-term reliability issues, and even fire safety. This one... I was pretty much able to get going, combining two into one. Everything looks, reasonably okay. And you can reach me at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.